How to fix not authenticated with Minecraft net failed to connect to the server. Now, the very first thing you want to do to refresh the server is actually by logging out to your Minecraft account. Now, once you have done that, relog into your Minecraft account and check if the issue is already resolved. Now, if the problem persists, fully log out to your Minecraft account and then go to the Windows button right here. Then from here, type in troubleshoot. Go ahead to troubleshooting settings, and then from here you have to go to additional troubleshooters. You scroll down and click on program compatibility troubleshooter. Now, once you click on run troubleshooter, it will automatically look for any issues or detect any issues that is currently ongoing on your laptop. Now, if the problem is persisting, your Minecraft mods will actually show right here. The TL launchers will show here. So you'll just have to click on those. For example, this one, you click on that and then go ahead to next. Your computer will automatically fix the issue for you. Now, once you've done that, you just simply restart your PC and then try to relog in or relaunch your Minecraft software. And please do make sure that you're fully connected to your internet. If not, you just go ahead and power cycle your internet router. Just remove it from the power line and then plug it back in. So those are actually the troubleshooting steps on how you fix not authenticated with Minecraft net fail to connect to the server.